Hello everyone. So in this video I am going to explain about nested subquery. Simply nested means one thing inside another. So nested subquery means subquery inside another subquery. So I have already prepared a syntax for this and I will show this in SQL Server Management Studio. Let me explain this line also. A subquery can be nested within subquery and SQL Server support up to 30 level of nesting. So this may be the objective question. Let's see practically how does it work. So first I need the data from fact internet sale. This is our target. Another, what data we need? We need the data for city, Matryville and Newcastle, East Brisbane and Darlinghurst. And this city column we don't have in the fact internet sale. So how we will get this data for only? How we'll get this data for only this city? Now we know in a fact internet sale we have a customer key, and customer key is present in dim customer, and in dim customer we have a geography key, not a city of the customer. So by using a geography key of the dim customer we can get the list of required city that we need to filter. So this is the nested subquery that is giving a geography key for this city. So we let me run this query and show the data. See, these are the geography key for this 2, 3, 4 city. Now I will get the customer key from dim customer using this geography key who belongs to this 4 city. So let's run this query till here. We'll have a customer key who belongs to this city. Now finally I need internet sale for this 4 city. So by using customer key, simply we need to we can execute this query and we'll have all fact internet sales data for this 4 city. So like in the fact internet sale we don't have the city information, and city information was available in dim geography key. Okay, and dim geography key, and so we don't have any direct connection between fact internet sales and dim geography keys, but we had the connection between fact internet sale and dim customer table using customer key. So first I made a relation between fact internet sale and then dim customer. Then we don't have any direct then we have the one relation between dim customer and dim geography key using dim geography table using geography key. So I made another relation, means another nested subquery to get the required data. So this is how nested subquery works. Thank you.